Your legs, they don't just ache anymore. They feel like stone, like someone poured concrete into them while you slept. Every step feels like a struggle. Every movement feels like a silent scream. And deep down, you're afraid that one wrong step, one misstep, and you might fall. You keep telling yourself, it's just age. But something deep inside whispers, this is not how life is supposed to feel after 60. Now I need you to listen closely, because what I'm about to share isn't from a pill bottle. It's not a doctor's prescription. It comes from the earth itself. Certain vegetables, yes, vegetables, have been shown to actually reverse the pain, stiffness, and weakness that make it feel like your legs have turned against you. These foods are helping older adults walk with more strength, stand taller, and even feel like they're 18 again. This isn't wishful thinking. It's real. It's nature's truth. And today, I'm going to reveal the exact foods that could change how you move, how you feel, and how you live. So don't go anywhere. This message reached you for a reason. And your comeback starts right now. Welcome, my dear friends, to Be Healthy Talks. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more helpful videos. Let's start with a vegetable that many older adults often overlook. But it holds the power to bring back strength with every step. First up, sweet potatoes. These are fuel for tired legs. Soft, orange, and naturally sweet, sweet potatoes are packed with magnesium and potassium, two essential minerals that help reduce joint inflammation and relax tense muscles. If you're dealing with leg cramps at night or feel like your legs might give out under your weight, sweet potatoes are your ally. They're full of complex carbs that give your muscles steady, lasting energy, without causing blood sugar spikes. It's like giving your legs a slow-burning fire to keep walking on. Have one for lunch, either baked or steamed, with a touch of olive oil. Your legs will thank you. Next, spinach, the circulation booster. When your legs feel weak or numb, it's often a sign of poor blood flow. Spinach is one of the most powerful foods for boosting nitric oxide in your bloodstream. Nitric oxide is a natural compound that opens up your arteries, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to flow to your legs. More oxygen means less pain, less swelling, and more strength. Toss some spinach into your breakfast omelet or blend it into a smoothie. It's not just a leafy green, it's a lifeline. Third, beets. This root veggie has been called a youth restorer for good reason. Beets do something amazing for older adults. They reawaken blood vessels in the lower body. Studies show that drinking beet juice or eating cooked beets every day can improve how far seniors can walk and increase their stamina. That means fewer rest stops, fewer stumbles, and a lot more confidence. If your legs lose power after just a short walk, beetroot could be the energy source you've been missing. Fourth, broccoli. It's not just for kids, it's a bone protector, especially as we age. Behind weak legs are often weak bones. Broccoli is packed with calcium, vitamin K, and powerful antioxidants that help your body rebuild bone density, naturally. If you've been told your knees are bone on bone, don't give up, give them nourishment. Lightly steamed broccoli 2 to 3 times a week can begin to rebuild what time has worn down. Fifth, carrots. Think of them as a nerve recharge. Do your legs tingle? Do they go numb sometimes? That might be your nerves crying out for help. Carrots are loaded with vitamin A and beta-carotene, both of which support healthy nerve function. They also help reduce oxidative stress, which can damage nerves over time. When you eat carrots regularly, raw or cooked, you help restore the nerve signals between your brain and your legs. That means better balance, smoother walking, and more control. Let's pause here for just a moment, because I want to speak to your heart. If your legs feel like they're giving up on you, don't let that define the rest of your life. Your strength isn't gone, it's just waiting to be rebuilt. And food, real, nourishing food, can do what painkillers never could. It can restore what's been lost. Next, kale. It's often called the anti-inflammatory king. Inflammation is the hidden enemy behind a lot of leg pain. Kale is rich in omega-3s, vitamin C, and plant-based compounds that help turn off the fire in your joints. Unlike pills, kale works from the inside out. You can sauté it with a little garlic, add it to your soups, or juice it with apples for a powerful morning boost. When you eat kale, you're not just relieving pain, you're undoing its cause. Now let's talk about garlic. Yes, garlic. It's more than just flavor. It's functional. Garlic has been shown to naturally thin the blood slightly and improve circulation, especially in the legs. That means warmer feet, lighter calves, and less of that dragging heaviness when you walk. Crush a clove of garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This activates its healing compounds. Use it often, and you'll feel the results. Before I tell you the final, and possibly the most powerful food for leg pain after 60, I want you to do something really simple. In the comments below, just write one word: strong. That's your declaration. Your promise to yourself. You're not giving up on your body. You're taking your strength back. Last, but absolutely not least, avocados. Now, technically, it's a fruit, but it belongs on this list. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, magnesium, and potassium. Everything your tired, aching leg muscles need to recover. Seniors who add just half an avocado to their daily meals often report fewer leg cramps, more energy, and even better balance. When your legs feel strong, stable, and fully fueled, you walk with the confidence and energy of someone half your age. That's the 18 again effect. So here's what I want you to remember, my dear elder. Pain is not the end of your story. Weakness is not your destiny. Your legs still have more to give. Your body still responds to real, nourishing food. And God, in His wisdom, placed the healing your body needs right into the foods grown from the earth. So start today, not with fear, but with faith. Add one of these vegetables to your plate. Then two. Then all of them. And slowly, one step at a time, you'll begin to walk stronger, stand taller, and live freer. You're not just aging, you're awakening. You're not finished, you're rebuilding. And you, my dear elder, are not alone. This is Be Healthy Talks, where strength has no age. Please like, subscribe, and share this with someone whose legs deserve healing too.